Hello friends, welcome to the new video. So in this video we are going to evaluate this question using the identities. Okay, so the question is 103 into 97. So 103, we can write 103 as 100 plus 3. Okay, so 100 plus 3 into 97. Okay, so 97, we can write 97 as 100 minus 3. Okay, so 100 minus 3 is nothing but 97. So when we look this one, okay, 100 plus 3 into 100 minus 3, so it looks like an identity. So that identity is nothing but a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. Okay, so it's an identity, so we can easily solve now. Okay, so a is nothing but 100 and b is nothing but 3. Okay, so now we have to substitute 100 and 3 in the places of a and b. Okay, so a is nothing but 100, so 100 square, because here it's a square. Okay, minus b square is nothing but, in the place of b we have to take 3. Okay, so 3 square. So now 100 square minus 3 square, 100 square is nothing but 10000. Okay, so minus 3 square is nothing but 9. So 10,000 minus 9 is nothing but 9,991. So this is our answer, hence solved. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.